Today, we have some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming One UI 7.0 update. If you're a Samsung user, you might want to stick around because this update could bring massive design changes and improvements. Let's dive right into it. For the past 3 years, Samsung hasn't made many significant changes to One UI. Last year, the only major update was the new quick panel layout introduced with One UI 6.0. However, this year, Samsung is expected to bring a lot more to the table with One UI 7.0. Based on Android 15, this update promises to be one of the most significant overhauls in One UI's history. According to a reliable tipster, Ice Universe, Samsung is set to introduce a brand new UI design of One UI 7.0. The tipster claimed One UI 7 may be the most changed version in the history of One UI. One of the most notable changes will be the new icon designs. Samsung typically updates its icon designs once every 5 years, so this is a significant move. The redesign of icons and the overall UI will be a refreshing change for Samsung smartphone and tablet users. Imagine navigating through your phone with a fresh set of icons and a sleek new interface. Previous reports also suggest that Samsung might introduce a vertical app drawer with One UI 7.0, which could enhance the user experience even further. One of the most requested features by Samsung users has been a built-in app lock. It looks like Samsung has listened to its users, and One UI 7.0 might finally bring this feature. While Samsung devices already have a secure folder that creates a secure encrypted space for apps and documents, the App Lock feature might offer a more straightforward and user-friendly option for securing individual apps. Another exciting feature expected in One UI 7.0 is battery life optimization using AI. This feature aims to make your device last longer than usual by intelligently managing battery consumption. If you're tired of constantly charging your phone, this could be a game changer for you. AI-powered battery optimization will ensure that your device runs efficiently, giving you more screen time and less worry about running out of battery. So when can we expect One UI 7.0 to be available? Samsung could start the One UI 7.0 beta program for the Galaxy S24 series the next 2 months. This beta program might then extend to older high-end phones like the Galaxy S23 series in the following weeks. After a few beta releases, Samsung is expected to officially announce One UI 7.0 at the Samsung Developer Conference on October 3, 2024. If we look at Samsung's track record, the stable version of One UI 7.0 could be released in October or November this year. All compatible high-end and mid-range phones, foldables, and tablets could get the stable update before the end of this year. For mid-range and entry-level devices, the update might roll out in the first quarter of 1.0. Are you excited about the new icon designs and UI changes? Let me know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest tech news and reviews. As always, see you in the next video. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be 2. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung W25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Geely smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Yonan also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks' list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks' list might only include devices launched. A leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing a Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.